Mercedes-Benz SL-Class R230. The R230 generation of the Mercedes-Benz SL-Class was introduced at the 2001 Frankfurt Motor Show and 2001 Bologna Motor Show, replacing the R129. The R230 underwent revisions in 2006 and 2008 and was superseded by the new SL-Class R231 in 2011. Development. In early 1996, over 6 years into the life of the R129, development work on a successor began. On 27 January 1996, design work commenced and draft designs were submitted from 10 designers in Germany, California, and Japan. Hundreds of sketches were submitted and would form the basis for 12 quarter-scale models which were digitized for computer manipulation. Design of the R230 would progress through 2 different formats. The real-world process centered on the traditional 1/4 scale models, with most of them initially being done clay. Virtual world design development took place in a room packed with state-of-the-art computer processing technology referred to as the Cave Computer-Aided Virtual Environment. This technology was also used earlier on to design the W203 in 1995. The supercomputer in the cave was able to create full-size images of selected designs, using its 5 projectors and allowing designers to inspect every inch of every surface rendered. Parallel to the virtual process, the 12-scale models were scrutinized as well, with 4 standouts chosen to be created in full-size mock-ups. This evolution of the scale models occurred alongside the development of the interior design. On 16 June 1997, the final design for the R230 was approved by the board and refined into production specifications into 1998. The design patents for the R230 were later filed in Germany on 9 September 1999 and on 1 March 2000 in the United States. In July 2001, after over 5 years of development, the new SL was unveiled and introduced at the 2001 Frankfurt Motor Show that September. Production began on 13 October 2001 at the Bremen plant, and European sales commenced that November. First generation. This car first appeared as the safety car for Formula One at the 2001 German Grand Prix in Hockenheim. The street version was unveiled at the 2001 IAA. The range was launched with a film-style advertisement called Lucky Star. Engines. 2006 facelift. The SL underwent a facelift in 2006 and was unveiled at the 2006 Geneva Motor Show. Changes include new engines for SL-350 and SL-500 called SL-550 in North America, with improved performance on SL-55 AMG and SL-600, as well as a new top-of-the-line SL-65 AMG. ABC active body control was improved to reduce body movements in dynamic driving by up to 60%, standard on all models except the SL-350. The new engines were mated to a new 7-speed 7G-tronic automatic with a sport option to allow shifting to be performed up to 30% faster in manual M mode, and with added steering wheel shift paddles. Exterior styling changes include a new bumper with 3 large cooling air intakes and a more pronounced V-shape, as well as fog lamps, with chrome surrounds, new light alloy wheels, new rear light. Interior changes include softer leather upholstery, new interior colors, high-quality metal door sills with Mercedes-Benz lettering and embossed aluminum trim elements, removable luggage cover, optional remote boot lid release. The roof opening mechanism was also revised, reducing the opening time from 20 seconds. With the 2007 model year, there was a limited production Model 550 units introduced to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the SL Roadster model. This anniversary edition version came with a pewter metallic exterior, cognac brown leather interior with black ashwood trim. Engines. 2008 facelift. The facelifted SL model was revealed in the Geneva Motor Show in March 2008. The SL received a new, more aggressive front end reflecting Mercedes' new design philosophy, with a pair of long power domes on the bonnet and a single-bar grille replacing the old three-bar effort. Improvements have been made also on the engines. The 3.5L V6 is uprated to 311 PS 229 kW, 307 HP at 6,500 RPM. Compared to the previous 3.5-liter engine, the output has been boosted by 16%. Torque has also been improved, adding 10 Nm 7.4 lb-ft to the previous 350 Nm 258 lb-ft, making it 360 Nm 266 lb-ft. This engine now can rev up to a max of 7,200 RPM for a period as the oil temperature and other engine parameters permit, a higher compression ratio, a new intake manifold, and featuring extensive modifications to and lightening of the valve train. In this case, however, the extra power does not come at the expense of fuel economy, with a consumption figure of 9.9 liters per 100 kilometers. The new SL350 undercuts the previous model, developing 200 kW, 272 PS, 268 HP by 0.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Mercedes-Benz is extending the SL-Class lineup by introducing an attractive entry-level model in the shape of the SL-280, developing 170 kW, 231 PS, 228 HP. The six-cylinder power plant delivers its peak torque of 300 Nm and 221 lb-ft from 2,500 RPM and accelerates the Roadster from 0 to 100 km/h 62 mph in 7.8 seconds, whilst fuel consumption net is just 9.4 L/100 km 30 mpg imp. It features the air scarf heating system used in the SL-K. The facelifted SL loses AMG 5.4 L Mo 113 in favor of the newer Mo 156 6.2 L V8 used in the S63 AMG, CLK63 AMG, and C63 AMG. It produces 525 PS, 386 kW, 518 HP at 6,800 RPM, and 630 Nm 465 lb-ft of torque at 5,200 RPM. It can accelerate from rest to 100 km/h 62 mph in 4.6 seconds, going up to a limited top speed of 250 km/h 155 mph. The SL63 AMG also includes the new AMG-developed 7-speed MCT multi-clutch technology, automatic transmission. The new MCT transmission is essentially the 7G-tronic transmission without a torque converter. Instead of a torque converter, it uses a compact wet startup clutch to start the car off, and also supports computer-controlled double-declutching. The MCT multi-clutch technology acronym refers to a planetary automatic transmission's multiple clutches and bands for each gear. The MCT is fitted with 4 drive modes: C Comfort, S Sport, S Plus, Sport Plus, and M Manual, and boasts 100 millisecond shifts in M mode. The new car features the new AMG drive unit with innovative race start function. The AMG drive unit is the central control unit for the AMG SpeedShift MCT 7-speed sports transmission and all driving dynamics functions. The driver can change gears either using the new AMG selector lever with its leather/carbon fiber finish, or by nudging the AMG steering wheel shift paddles. The new race start function is a launch control system which enables the SL63 AMG driver to call on maximum acceleration while ensuring optimum traction of the driven wheels. A modified version of the SL63 was the safety car for the Formula One seasons of 2008 and 2009. The new SL65 AMG Black Series coupe features a carbon fiber fixed roof, front fenders, hood trunk lid, and front and rear aprons. With the absence of retractable roof hardware, The car is more than 550 lb, 249 kg lighter. AMG placed a modified version of the 6.0-liter AMG V12 engine that now delivers 670 PS, 493 kW and 1000 Nm and 738 lb-ft of torque. This is the same 6.0L engine as used in the previous SL65 model, with remapped timing and fuel curves to produce 58 PS more. Torque remains the same as the previous model due to transmission limitations. This engine has been labeled as the engine with the largest output that will be made by AMG. Its twin turbochargers are 12% larger. Passages for intake air and the turbo wastegates have been modified, and the intake air intercooler is 30% more efficient. The result is 0-60 mph 97 km/h acceleration of 3.8 seconds and an electronically limited top speed of 198 mph 319 km/h. SL63 AMG Edition IWC 2008. It is a limited 200 units version of SL63 AMG. It included Disegno Magno Cashmere white finish, AMG exterior carbon package with matte surface, interior carbon matte trim with Tobago brown Napa leather upholstery, AMG performance package, Gross Ingenieur, big engineer watch from Swiss watchmaker IWC Schaffhausen. The vehicle went on sale beginning in fall 2008, with deliveries beginning in November 2008. SL65 AMG Black Series 2008-2011. The performance version of the SL65 AMG was unveiled in Monterey in 2008. The turbochargers are 12% larger, and the optimized wastegate ducts permit increased air throughout. The intake air ducting and exhaust system are modified to improve response and reduce the exhaust gas back pressure. The Black Series is 250 kilograms 551 lb lighter than regular SL65 AMG by the use of light carbon fiber composite CFRP parts and the omission of the SL Norma, replacing it with a fixed roof. Not only did this save weight, it also made room available for the retractable rear spoiler. It also has an def limited top speed of about 200 mph 322 km/h and can go from 0-62 mph 0-100 km/h in 3.8 seconds. The AMG SpeedShift Plus 5-speed automatic transmission includes CS mode and M2, which has gearshift times 25% quicker than the Moan mode. The Black Series front axle track width is 97 mm wider and the rear axle track width 85 mm wider over regular model. Other changes include retractable rear spoiler and the rear apron with diffuser fins, 265/35 R19 front tires with 19x9.5-inch AMG light alloy wheels and AMG 20x 11.5-inch light alloy wheels with 325/30. SL Night Edition 2010. It is a version of SL Roadster with 19-inch AMG 5-spoke light alloy wheels in a two-tone high-gloss finish, silver-painted front brake calipers with the Mercedes-Benz logo, darkened headlamps/tail lights, black Napa leather upholstery with shining chrome trim, seats with arrow-shaped seams and silver-colored contrasting features. Grand Edition 2011. It is a version of SL300, SL350, and SL500 commemorating 125th anniversary of Carl Benz inventing the automobile. SL350 Grand Edition included 19-inch AMG 5-spoke alloy wheel in titanium, front brake calipers with the Mercedes-Benz logo, drilled bench-rated brake discs, twin chrome square exhaust tips, chrome shoulder line trim, high-gloss door handle, Grand Edition side emblem, Napa leather seat, SL. Other options include AMG Sport Package, Disegno Piano lacquer black wood trim. SL500 Grand Edition included 19-inch AMG 5-spoke alloy wheel in titanium, front brake calipers with the Mercedes-Benz logo, drill bench-rated brake discs, twin chrome square exhaust tips, chrome shoulder line trim, high gloss door handle, Grand Edition side emblem, SLR design shift knob. Other options include AMG Sport Package. Japan model went on sale in 2011-8-5. Engines, transmissions. SL63 AMG includes AMG Speedshift MCT7 Speed Sports transmission, which included C Comfort, S Sport, S Plus Sport Plus, and a manual modes, and drive unit, race start launch control. Production. The SL63 AMG engine was built in Mercedes-AMG models. Models. SL550. In 2007, Mercedes created a 75 limited edition 50th anniversary SL550s. According to another article, Mercedes created 550 of these cars, all pewter in color with burgundy leather, black ashwood trim, 18-inch double 5-spoked wheels, and matching 50th anniversary edition luggage. SL600. The SL600 is the highest powered version of the non-AMG SL-Class models. It uses a V12 engine, which produced 493 HP, 368 kW, and 590 ft, lbf 800 Nm from 2003 through 2006, and was uprated to 510 HP, 380 kW, and 612 ft, lbf 830 Nm for 2007. It accelerates from 0-60 mph in 4.7 seconds, according to Mercedes-Benz. However, car and driver achieved extremely impressive acceleration test figures, with 60 mph 97 km/h achieved in just 3.6 seconds, 100 mph 161 km/h in 8.6 seconds, and a quarter-mile run in 11.9 seconds at 120 mph 193 km/h. However, the article can be subject to speculation that the car's performance may have been tested after modifications were made to the vehicle itself, although none are mentioned, hence the impressive 0-60 mph timing. Production of the SL600 ended in 2009, leaving the SL65 AMG as the only V12-engined R230 and R231. SL55 AMG/SL63 AMG. The SL55 AMG version was released in 2002. The SL63 AMG version replaced it in 2008. The new model has only slight visual differentiators. The most noticeable is the 3-slat grille rather than the 4-slat version used previously. The top speed is limited to 250 km/h 155 mph, but can be extended to 300 km/h 186 mph for an additional cost. The 6.2-liter V8 replaced the current engine for the 2009 model year. Upon release in 2002, this was for its time the fastest automatic car in the world. This was before the SLR McLaren hit the market in 2003. Jeremy Clarkson owned one of the first SL55 AMG. Mercedes engineers claimed that the SL55 AMG could reach 208 mph if it was door-restricted. SL65 AMG, 5 AMG. The SL65 AMG version offers 604 HP 450 kW from its twin-turbocharged 5,980 cc V12 engine at 5,500 RPM. It retailed for $179,720 as of 2005. Mercedes-Benz listed a 0-60 mph time of 4.2 seconds on their official website, though several road tests show that it actually takes under 4 seconds to reach 60 mph 97 km/h. Car and driver achieved 60 mph 97 km/h from a standstill in 3.6 seconds, 100 mph 161 km/h in 7.5 seconds, and recorded a quarter-mile time of 11.6 seconds at 123 mph 198 km.